guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new here. So it's been a hot minute since we've done a clean with me, but right now my beauty room is super messy and I'm about to do my massive declutter, and I don't already want to have like a super messy beauty room. So I want to clean my beauty room up first. That way when I do my declutter, it's so much easier for me. So I'm gonna show you guys what we're working with and do just a quick, easy clean with me today. That way we can move into my massive declutter that starts tomorrow. So with that said, guys, let's go ahead and jump right on in. Okay, so this is my room so far. It doesn't look too bad, but you guys haven't seen the other side over there. So starting over here, we have my books and whatnot. These are just gonna be like that. I still have my candles right here. We're just gonna leave it like this until eventually I get a new bookshelf. Over here, I have just like some wrapping paper, Christmas balls. I still have like PR boxes that I need to put makeup away, and I haven't, but I need to put makeup away. And so they're all just kind of sitting there. You can kind of see what's happening down over here. Over here, we're starting to have a messy floor. I have my boxes, so I have more stuff to get back to you guys. Christmas gifts, Christmas gifts, Christmas gifts, Christmas gifts, trash, messiness right over here, messiness right over here. Oh, what is this? Messiness over here. We have my desk that needs to be cleaned, but then we have this over here. Like what? First off, look at the floor. Look at the floor. Then look at how messy this is. Look how messy that is. Look at how messy that is up there. So freaking gross. Like inside here, it's getting to be all trashed. Inside here, it's getting to be all kind of messy and thrown all over the place. Like everything's getting really messy. I'm getting pretty overwhelmed with my collection. So we're gonna kind of go through here, do a massive declutter, but I want to clean everything up first, vacuum this floor, take down all the boxes, put away all the products, clean this desk up, everything you guys see, get this room nice and clean, because it is just a huge mess right now, and it's making me very, very anxious because it's just like cluttered and I don't like it being cluttered. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the camera up. We're gonna get the cleaning going. That way when I do my declutter series, it's just so much easier for me. So let's go ahead and get this started. Look at my helpers. I got Kaya, Callie, Cole in the corner. Look at my helpers. Okay, so beauty room is cleaned. There's still some stuff that I have sitting in places because it's just gonna sit there for now, but let me show you guys. Okay guys, so here we have this side right here. You guys can see it's definitely cleaned up. These are my 2 boxes. These are my No Waste Wednesday winners. I did a special one for my patron members, so I have to send those out tomorrow on Monday. But you guys can see that right here, it is nice and clean. Everything is nice and clean. Finally, everything's picked up. Floor is vacuumed because there's so much shit on the floor, but it's officially been cleaned up. Then we move over here. What? Look how much better that looks. One, you can see my desk. It's nice and cleaned finally. But then you guys look over here. You guys don't see that big mess anymore. Now what you guys are going to see right over there, this is just a box of palettes, because these palettes have to go back in my makeup collection. But if you guys can't tell, I literally don't have room. So once I do my declutter, I'll be able to have room. And then I have to go through here and get rid of all this shit up here. I'm doing a massive declutter. I'm getting rid of a lot of my makeup actually. So I wanted to make sure I clean my beauty room first. So yeah, those have to get put over there. But it is finally nice and cleaned. Everything's clean. I don't have this big mess over here. This area is nice and cleaned up. And then over here, it's still a little messy. So these are Christmas gifts. I need to get wrapped up actually, but Christmas gifts that are wrapped up. Christmas gifts that need to be wrapped up. This is a box of PR makeup that needs to go in my collection, but unfortunately I don't have room for them, so they're just gonna sit in their boxes. And this right here is 2 boxes of makeup. So one is gonna be a giveaway. One is my Milk Cosmetics. That is a giveaway. I just have to mail it out to the person tomorrow, so I'm just gonna rebox it. But it's just sitting there for now before I end up doing that. But those boxes will end up clearing out because I'll be giving back to you guys. But yeah, I would say definitely, probably throw this away. This is my palette that I made with Oprah. But yeah, definitely so much better. It smells good in here. I have more space. This isn't cluttered anymore, and I just feel so much better about it. So yeah, guys, this is my now cleaned up beauty room. This has been my last beauty clean of 2022. We're about to move into my declutter tomorrow, and I am so excited. So that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. I know this is a short one, but I just wanted to do just a quick deep clean in my beauty room before we dive into my declutter. I've had you guys ask me why I'm getting rid of so much makeup. I will dive into it soon, but I am getting rid of a lot of my makeup. So yeah, just stay tuned to my declutter series to start, because I'm gonna go hard. I'm gonna go hard, but yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you did, make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys have not already, because I do post 4 to 5 videos every single week. Make sure you guys head over to my other channels, Art for Life, where you guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And as always, the biggest thank you goes to these beautiful, wonderful page members you guys see right here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe, either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.